How to fix the screen flickering issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, tap on display and brightness. Now here you will see a automatic brightness button. So if you have enabled automatic brightness, then tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off the automatic brightness, the flickering issue will be fixed. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the side button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting the mobile, it will fix small software glitches like screen flickering issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, then open settings for the next solution. Scroll down to the end and click on system and updates. Now here click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now again click on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset all settings option, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the screen flickering issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the flickering issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.